Oh, somebody made a stinky.
I lied. There was actually no stinky. I do this when I smell clean diapers and sit around the room for 5 minutes, then go back to my wife and say,
Okay, all done. You change the next one.
After 2 months, my wife somehow found out, so I had to change my first diaper.
Stop snitching on me. I know you told mommy.
But then I stumbled upon my wife's secret hot Cheeto stash. I only ate like 6 Cheetos before I heard her loud platypus feet stomping over, so I quickly put everything back to exactly how it was.
You ate my Cheetos.
How did she know? The snitch.
Snitches get stitches.